topic is open your wings. Now, I think the first thought that comes to your mind is, am I a bird? Do I have wings to open up? Stuff like that. But before, we go into such philosophical thoughts. Okay, so what we thought was perhaps maybe we could sit back first for a while and just do a doodle search and kind of come up and look at some videos for a change. Okay? It might give us a perspective about what wings, what openings that we are going to talk about. Okay, so what does this look like? This looks like a familiar scene in our country. Very nice way, how we drive over here and how the amazing way how, we manage to get over coming to office, going back to home, managing all these stuff. And we do it every day. We are superb human beings. Time for the next video. While we have watched that, what we face and go through every day, there is another side of the story to it. In some countries, perhaps, this is also how life goes on. Very methodical. You see how they flow. Nobody here is jostling against anybody. Things are going very smoothly. So we understand that there is a different way of doing the same thing as well. Now, I would want to ask you a question. Now that you watched both the videos, I want to ask you a question. Where would you feel what? In situation A, somewhere perhaps in our country or maybe in other countries also, and in situation B, in some other countries, not really ours at the moment. I would say, I think you would agree to me when I say I'm scared here. Oh, do I have something else before that? Okay. I am scared here in this situation. Right? And I think you would also agree to me when I say that I feel safe in this situation. Now, my next question is, why did you feel safe here and not here? Can we ask ourselves this question? It's very easy to understand that in the first place, you are carrying your life in your hands and going to your work, again carrying the life back in your hands and coming back home. But in the other situation, it's not like that. While you're traveling, you might be thinking of other things, solving other problems, not really hanging on to your dear life. So why did you feel safer here? I think they are more disciplined. They are technically much more advanced. I mean, the way they have laid out their roads, the way they have their signals working, there's technology behind it, very much advanced. They also must have a superb teamwork. I also feel they are very methodical in what they have done. They have high capability. These individuals who have been able to produce a result that we see on the right of the screen they definitely have a high capability, and they obviously have very high quality. Having said all this, let us now just sit back again and analyze these situations. What if I ask you that you are a driver in this scene, the first scene? How do you feel like? How would you feel like to be put in a situation on the right-hand screen? Will you feel uncomfortable in the start? Think of our auto drivers or, the people who are driving there, and you put them and take them to some place there and say, boom, drive here. What do they feel? Discomfort. But we, from a different angle, looking at it from this side, we understand, yes, the right side is what we all want to be in ultimately. But he doesn't feel the same way, the driver. He says, hello, I drive every day. I can dodge anything. I can go anywhere without accidents. I'm doing it. What big deal doing it that way? But we, looking at it from a different perspective, understand the need. And we feel safer in a situation towards the right. It's very easy to do this analysis when you are Sitting back, taking a bird's eye view of the situation, it becomes very, very obvious. I'm sure many of us will not be able to agree to the sentiments of the driver who's here on the left-hand side. So, what has happened when you have sat back and looked at it? You have realized something. We have realized certain things that, okay, maybe this thing gives me a discomfort, but that is perhaps the thing to go. As soon as we realize, a bulb lights up in our head and we start to think. As soon as we have started to think, I think we also start getting inspired. And we start realizing certain truths. When I looked at these situations, I also thought about the way we are producing software. I am a software person. I produce software every day. I tried to draw an analogy between this traffic here and the way we do software here. And that situation and the way we do software here. Now, as a software developer, where am I? Which situation is comfortable for me? Sometimes I am in this messy situation here. Do I feel the comfort level to go there? Do I really have the activation energy to go and jump to that situation? It doesn't come automatically because I am just like a driver who is here in the first screen and he felt uncomfortable doing it. But if you sit back, think, look at it, realize, you understand very clearly that the second option is perhaps the place where you really need to be. So if we think thus, we are inspired. And I realize something, that this inspiration that I feel has the power to stroke something we all have, something we all must nurture, and it is our need to grow. It is our need to be respected. Now understand, a driver who is driving the way he's driving in India and another driver who's driving somewhere else, just figure out the amount of respect that he has in the eyes of the world. Who has more? You can understand. Imagine a software developer developing messy code the way on the left-hand side and the respect that you earn when you start developing code in a much systematic way. You realize, and as soon as you realize this, you can see your growth path coming up in front of you. You start growing. Your need to grow inspires you from within. And this is exactly what, dear Mastekeers, I'm calling you to bring forth in yourself. Maybe it's time to realize certain things, sit back, look at ourselves, how we are doing, and it will tell us several stories. And we will realize, we will be inspired, and we will want to stroke our need to grow, our need to be respected. And thus, do you know what the result happens? You will willingly make friends with high maturity processes, something that we have always like. High maturity processes would give us the growth path towards the stuff that we saw on the right-hand side. You will make friends with him automatically. You will warmly hug challenges, not say, oh my God, that's something again I need to do. No, you would look at challenges like, hey, come on, let me get it done so that I learn something new. It will come automatically from within you. You would be constructive towards any criticism. If a person is criticizing you, you will realize that this is a way I can improve myself. Look at it in a different way. All because you are inspired from within. You will be self-motivated. You are going to produce unmatched quality work. You will earn overwhelming respect from people all around you because of the ways that you start behaving, just because you've stroked your need to growth and your need to be respected. And last but not the least, you're going to receive that elusive promotion letter very soon if you want to go ahead with this concept. That's not all. I want you to imagine something else as well. Imagine how huge the spread of the mastic wing would be when each one of you begin to open your wings thus. Thank you, Master Keers. I call for, please open your wings and fly.